Everybody's talking about spiritual awakening, and today we're here to discover for each one of you that are here with me today what the signs of your awakening may be. But we're going to do that in a meditation that invites the awakening. So sit with me quietly, take a deep breath, open your heart to invitation. In the indigenous culture, nothing occurs without invitation. The divine, the ancestors, the spirit guides, they don't come unless invited. So let's invite them. Ancestors, spirit guides, welcome. We welcome you to enter our being because we are ready to awaken. I want all of the healing for all past wounds for each and everybody to be released today so that awakening can happen in the belly. You will feel a stirring in your belly. That is a sign. Now we're going to put the sound into the belly. Do it with me. One more time. Do that as often as you can. Now feel that shift in your belly become a light. And that light moves up your spine, your throat, right into your third eye. You're going to put the sound back into your third eye 2 times with me. Hold the vibration. Invite the knowing that your awakening is here. And each and every day, you will notice you see differently, you think differently, you can hear and understand what people are saying differently. This is just the beginning. Come back to this as often as you need.